Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making the detail pieces on the vest, so let's get straight into it. I start to sew the gray pieces onto the blue, and the way that the straps or like the suspender pieces and some of the detail pieces on the vest part of the suit, they're gray, but then they have like a blue that's under it that's a little bit bigger than it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just sewing those together here. So yeah. I just keep sewing, and it's quite simple. You're just going straight. Just make sure that your thread color is the exact same color as the gray. Or mine's not exact, but it's just make sure you have the thread color that kind of matches. If you want me to do a video on sewing, just comment down below. So yeah. Here I start sewing the red straps for the suit, just like the bottom of the suspenders, I guess you could call them. And what I do is I sew them inside out, and then I flip them right side in, and then I top stitch them, which means that you just sew right on top of the stitch, and it gives it a really nice look. So yeah. I then start to sew the little pieces onto the bottom of the suspenders, which will connect the top of the suspenders to the red strap through a like metal piece. I then start to put the metal pieces on the straps and the suspenders, which are just some stuff that I got off some bags and some belts at Goodwill. But I'm positioning those, and then I start to pin the red strap onto the vest, so then I can sew it on. I then start to sew them on, and the spots that you want to do this on is just some spots where where the upholstery foam isn't at. I then again start to position everything with the metal pieces and stuff, but now I start pinning the blue and gray suspender pieces onto the vest so then I can sew them. I then start sewing on some of the metal pieces onto the suspenders, and you can just hot glue this, obviously. Now I start to sew the actual suspender pieces right onto the vest, and it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure that you can get your vest and everything under your sewing machine foot. Now I start to pin the other one and sew the other one on. It's very straightforward. Just again, make sure you could get it under your sewing machine foot, and then just sew on the gray line that you sewed the like where you sewed the gray over the blue to make the suspender piece. Just sew on that line. Now I start to add the little strap piece that goes on the red strap. And that's just so that you can pull it tighter, and it's also just a detail that's on the actual suit. Now what I do is I put it on there and then I just put a piece of fabric inside of it. Then I glue the fabric there and then I just stick the strap inside of it over that. I then start to sew on all the pieces for the shield harness. I then start hot gluing together some like metal loops so that I can connect all of those fabric pieces. I then start to cut out some just brown fabric to make the rectangle pocket that goes on the bandolier for the suit. I then start sewing together that pocket, and it's pretty easy, just sewing it together. I then start cutting out some upholstery foam in the shape of that pocket. And what this is going to do is just fill that pocket completely and make it look like it's like a thicker fabric or like there's actually something inside of the pocket. And then I just hot glued inside of there. Okay guys, so I just finished the vest, and I have the shoulders done already. Disregard that. I'll have that video up next week. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then on the back. Now I know that back piece isn't accurate at all, but it was the only way that I could figure it out. And then still have it removable, and it has the zipper on the back. And then the star here is just a piece of the white canvas. And yeah. I'm actually really happy with it, and it fits me really nice. So yeah, that is the vest with all the details. So if you liked the video or found it informative in any way, don't forget to drop a like down below and subscribe if you like my content and would like to see more. Come back next Friday to see the video on how to make the shoulder pieces or the shoulder pads for the vest. And yeah, I post every single Friday. Bye.